pag-asa, natuto pa rin niya ang
We want him to know the kind of change that we would want, and we want him to fulfill his promise that he is indeed going to bring about change in government, change in society.
Kailan lamang ang Pilipinas ang pinakadelikadong lugar sa buong